Hey guys, today we will be discovering or exploring 5 deep-sea creatures known for their unique adaptations and often bizarre appearances. Here's a little description, also mostly made for 4th grade. Diving into the mysterious world of the deep sea, it's fascinating how life adapts to such extreme conditions. You're looking for descriptions of 5 deep-sea creatures with unique adaptations and bizarre appearances. Let's take a look at the animals we will be exploring. We will be looking at the fang-toothed fish. These fish have incredibly long needle-like teeth that protrude from their jaws. The pelican eel. This eel is characterized by its huge toothy mouth, and its stomach can expand to accommodate a large meal. A Japanese spider crab. This giant crab boasts an impressive leg span and is one of the largest arthropods on Earth. A sea angel. These small winged creatures are known for their ability to glide through the water. And a sea pig. These deep sea creatures are known for their pinkish or red color and their ability to live on the ocean floor. So we're going to start by looking at the fang-toothed fish. A fang-toothed fish is a small fish that lives in the deep parts of the ocean. It gets its name from its very long, sharp teeth that look like fangs. Appearance: they have a big mouth with long, pointy teeth. Their bodies are usually dark brown or black. Young fang-tooths look different and are lighter in color with smaller teeth. Size: even though they look scary, they're actually quite small, usually only about 6 or 7 inches, so not even a foot. Their habitat that fang-tooths live in is very deep in the ocean where it's dark. They are found in warm and mild parts of the world, all of the world's oceans. Eating: they are predators, use their big teeth to catch and eat other fish, squid, and small ocean animals such as other fish. Deep sea life: because they live so deep, they have special features to help them survive in the dark under high pressure. Because the pressure is so high, they kind of have to have that thing so they don't be crushed. The pelican eel. A pelican eel is a very strange-looking fish that lives in the deep parts of the ocean floor. It's also called a gulper eel because of its huge mouth. Here's what makes the pelican eel special: big mouth. Its most amazing feature is its enormous mouth, which is much bigger than its body. It can open its mouth really wide, like a pelican's pouch, to scoop up food. Stretchy body. The pelican eel has a long, thin, black body. Its stomach can also stretch. It can eat big meals when it finds them. Tiny teeth. Even though it has a huge mouth, its teeth are actually very small. Glowing tail. The end of its tail can glow pink or red. Scientists think it uses this light like a fish lure to attract other small creatures to eat. Deep sea home. Pelican eels live very deep in the ocean where it is cold and there's no sunlight. They are found in warm and mild parts of the ocean all over the world. Because food can be hard to find in the deep sea, the pelican eel's big mouth helps it catch whatever it can, even if it's bigger than itself. That's why its stomach expands. The Japanese spider crab. The Japanese spider crab is a very large and interesting creature that lives in the ocean around Japan. It looks a bit like a giant spider with very long, skinny legs. Here's what makes the Japanese spider crab special: huge size. It has the longest legs of any animal in the world. Its legs stretch out as wide as 12 feet. That's bigger than many cars. Spider-like appearances: its body is round and it has 8 long legs and 2 long arms with claws that make it look like a spider. Ocean home. These crabs live deep in the ocean on the sandy and rocky bottom. They like cold water. Slow movers. Despite their big size, they move slowly along the ocean floor. They don't swim. What do they eat? They are scavengers, which means they mostly eat dead animals or plants that they find on the ocean floor. They also eat shellfish. Camouflage. Younger Japanese spider crabs sometimes decorate their shells with sponges and other things to hide them from bigger animals that might want to eat them. gentle giants. Even though they look scary, they're usually not harmful to people. These amazing crabs can live up for a very long time, maybe even up to 100 years. The sea angel. A sea angel is a small swimming creature that lives in the ocean. It's a type of sea slug without a shell. People call it a sea angel because it has two wing-like parts that it flaps to move through the water, making it look like it's flying. Here are some cool things to know about sea angels. Appearance: they have see-through bodies, so you can see their insides. They are usually small, only about an inch or two long, I'd say. Wings for swimming. Their wings are actually part of their foot that have changed over time to help them swim gracefully. Ocean life. Sea angels live in cold and mild waters all over the world, from near the surface to very deep down. Surprising hunters. Even though they look gentle, sea angels are actually predators. They mostly eat other tiny swimming snails, called sea butterflies. Clever eating. When a sea angel catches a sea butterfly, it has a special part that helps it pull the sea butterfly out of its shell to eat it. So even though they look like little angels floating in the sea, they are also amazing hunters. And last but not least, my favorite, the sea pig. A sea pig is a very unusual animal that lives on the deep ocean floor. It's a type of sea cucumber. It looks quite different from other long, skinny sea cucumbers you might imagine. Here's what makes a sea pig special. Pig-like shape. They have a plump, round body and little tube-like legs that they use to walk around on soft mud at the bottom of the ocean. These legs help them look a bit like tiny chubby pigs. Antenna. They have a pair of long antennas on their heads that they use to smell for food. Deep sea home. Sea pigs live in very deep parts of the ocean, often in very cold and dark places, eating leftovers. They are detrivores, which means they only eat dead plants and animals they have sunk to the ocean floor. They are like a cleanup crew of the deep sea. Groups. You often find sea pigs living in groups, sometimes with many of them together in one area. So even though they have a funny name and look a bit strange, sea pigs are important for keeping the deep sea ocean floor clean. So that is our last slide, and I will have some pictures on a post tied to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about all the 5 most amazing deep sea creatures ever. Bye. Have a good day, guys.